Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the World Clock app on your Apple Watch and adding locations you care about. Make sure your watch is paired and updated so features work reliably. Tap the plus icon, then search or dictate a city name. You will see suggestions as you type. Once done, select the correct city entry to add its time to your list. This gives you an immediate reference for current local time while you continue. Next, organize and adjust the clock so your most used zones appear first. Press and hold a city, then drag it to the top to prioritize. This saves time when glancing at the watch face. Make sure to remove duplicates or obsolete entries by swiping left and tapping delete to keep the list tidy. If you need details, tap any city to see sunrise, sunset, and exact time zone information. This helps plan calls and travel with confidence. Finally, add a world clock complication to your chosen watch face for one-tap access. Customize which city shows by editing the complication settings. Once configured, glance to check times quickly and use tap to open full details. If things go wrong, restart the watch and iPhone, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are connected, and make sure time zone settings on the iPhone match reality. If a city still shows incorrectly, remove and re-add it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.